The Second World War. Introduction. The First World War and the Paris Peace Treaty sowed the seeds for the Second World War. The Second World War causes severe damage as compared to all other wars and brought the world on the verge of destruction. Causes of the Second World War. Dissatisfaction with the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles after the First World War created more problems than it solved. This treaty sowed the seeds of bitterness to the defeated nations as many unjust sanctions were imposed on them. To take revenge, German colonies were forcibly taken, she was divided into two parts, her military power was reduced, etc. Due to this humiliation, the spirit of revenge rose and Germany started looking for an opportunity to get rid of this treaty, which was not possible without aggressive policy and armaments. So the war was inevitable, that is unavoidable. Rise of fascism and Nazism. Rise of fascism in Italy and Nazism in Germany were another important cause of Second World War. Mussolini, the dictator of Italy, opposed Treaty of Versailles and attacked Abyssinia at present Ethiopian Empire in Africa. The League of Nations failed to stop Italy or Mussolini. Similarly, in Germany, Hitler opposed Treaty of Versailles, declared rearmament, that is equipping forces with new weapons, and captured Austria. Thus, the dictators took the countries of the world towards Second World War. Policy of appeasement. Policy of appeasement means to accept the hostile, that is aggressive demands of an aggressive nation to gain peace. England and France believed that the dictators had real reason to fight due to humiliating terms of Treaty of Versailles. They also didn't want Germany to turn towards Russian Bolshevism, that is communist form of government, therefore allowed Germany to rearm and captured Austria and Czechoslovakia. Hence, fascism and Nazism survived due to the policy of appeasement of Britain and France, which led to the Second World War. Japanese invasion of China. Japan's ambitions rose after the First World War. In 1931, Japan attacked China. China asked help from League of Nations, but England and France, leading members of League of Nations, didn't pay any attention to it. To increase its policy of conquest, Japan joined Germany and Italy, thus formed Berlin-Rome-Tokyo Agreement. Japan left League of Nations in 1933 and started occupying the British and American properties in China. Britain and France thought that the Japanese could be used to weaken China, hence followed policy of appeasement. In this way, Japanese invasion of China made the war unavoidable. Failure of League of Nations. The League was formed after the First World War to avoid wars. Its formation was mentioned in the 14 point of American President Woodrow Wilson, though America didn't join the League. Those who joined the League were not interested in following the principles of League. League failed to maintain world peace, countries of Europe lost faith in its usefulness, and many of its member nations entered into military alliance. Immediate cause of the war, Hitler's invasion of Poland. Hitler invaded Poland because Germany was divided into two parts in order to give land route to Poland. Danzig port was also given to Poland. Hitler wanted to regain Germany's lost territories. Danzig city was mainly inhabited by the Germans, and by occupying it, Germany could connect with East Prussia. Thus, Germany accused Poland for committing unjust against Germans living in Danzig city. In August 1939, Germany signed a non-aggression pact with Russia and attacked Poland on 1st September 1939, thus began the Second World War. Attack of Pearl Harbor. The only military force that Japan had to fear was the US Pacific Fleet based at Pearl Harbor in Hawaii. On 7 December 1941, Japan launched a surprise aerial attack on Pearl Harbor. Many battleships were sunk. Important airfields, that is area for takeoff, landing and maintenance of aircrafts, were destroyed and 3,700 people were killed. Japan made two big mistakes in this attack, that is, they neither destroy the ship repair workshops nor destroy US carriers. Thus, the damaged ships were repaired and soon back in action. To stop Japanese advancement, USA joined the war on 8 December 1941. Bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. America attacked Japan to free the island in the Southwest Pacific. American Navy and Air Force destroyed the Japanese fleet, still Japan was strongly established in China. Japanese in the Philippines formed kamikaze, suicide air corps. Civilians were too trained to use variety of weapons. This made a land invasion of Japan more difficult. Long before attacking Japan, American scientists had worked and successfully tested the most powerful weapon ever used, that is the atomic bomb. The decision to use atom bomb on Japan was finally taken after long debate. Before dropping the bomb, American planes dropped leaflets warning about the deadly weapon and urging Japan to end the war. As Japan turned a deaf ear to the warning, the first atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima on 6 August 1945. It destroyed half of the city, killing thousands of people. Japan still refused to surrender, so another bomb was dropped on Nagasaki on 9 August 1945. Japan unconditionally surrendered on 2 September 1945. Thus, the Second World War came to an end after 6 long years. Consequences of the Second World War. Defeat of Axis powers. In the beginning, Axis powers, that is Germany, Italy and Japan, got remarkable success, but by the end of 1942, the tide turned against them. Allied powers, that is Britain, France, US and Soviet Unions, recaptured many lost territories. Italy and Germany was defeated. Hitler committed suicide in disappointment of Germany's defeat. Finally, Japan was asked to surrender, but Japan turned a deaf ear. Consequently, America dropped 2 atomic bombs on Japan. Japan thus surrendered on 2 September 1945 and the Second World War came to an end. The following consequences were faced by the Axis powers after the Second World War. Germany was divided into zones, each zone under the army of Allied powers. The Federal Republic Germany or West Germany was administered by Britain, France and US with Bonn as the capital and came under capitalist ideology. The German Democratic Republic or East Germany was administered by Soviet Union with East Berlin as the capital and came under communist ideology. Italy and Japan also became very weak. American army controlled Japan till 1952 and all lands acquired by Japan were taken away. Formation of the UN. After two big wars and failure of League of Nations, Roosevelt, President of US, Churchill, Prime Minister of Britain, and Stalin, Premier of USSR, met in February 1945 and decided to form UN. They invited representatives of all nations at San Francisco Conference and drew UN Charter. Thus, on 24th October 1945, United Nations Organization was formed. Cold War. During the Second World War, USA and USSR fought together. However, towards the end of the war, the harmony between the two decreased. Extreme political tension was created due to these two nations into the world. The state of tension, where one country strengthens itself and weakens the other without armed conflict, is termed as Cold War. The world was divided into two power blocks due to this Cold War, that is, Democratic and Capitalist Bloc, Western Bloc, which was led by USA, and Communist Bloc, Eastern Bloc, which was led by USSR.